Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here or if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So as you can see from the title of the video, it's going to be another unboxing video and a flip through. And this is volume 2. Let me start talking. Volume 2 of a book I shouldn't say just a book, but it's a Bible I recently did a video on called Word on Fire by Bishop Barron. And guess what, you guys? I love that Bible so much. I got volume 2. And yes, this one I got from Chapters Again because they're the only ones here where I am right now that has a paperback edition. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can see my reflection too, I think. Anyways, okay, so this is the first Word on Fire that I did a video on, and it's on the Gospels, the Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Synoptic Gospels. And as you can see, I've been reading it, and I really love it. Not just the text, but the artwork, everything in this Bible I really love. So I ended up getting the second volume, which is on the Acts, letters, and Revelation, which I am really excited because that's probably one of my one of my favorite books of the New Testament. Alright, so let's compare the thickness. As you can see, obviously, because this is only the 4 Gospels and this is the rest of the New Testament, so it's a lot thicker. So yeah, let us unseal it. Okay, so yes, like I mentioned, I got the paperback edition again. I was gonna save up and get the leather, but I figured just get the paperback because it'll match the first one I have. And plus, because okay, wait. Oh my gosh, yes! So as you guys saw earlier, when I read the Bible, I do mark it. So I think if I got the more expensive leather version, I'd probably be a bit hesitant to like really delve into it because it's so beautiful. And plus it's like I said on the previous video, the leather version here in Toronto in my local Catholic bookstore is 140 Canadian, and that's a bit too much right now for me. And yeah, so I would feel probably a bit hesitant to really like use it. So I thought for someone like me who really can't have nice things because I pretty much destroy everything I have, it's best to have. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the artwork and let us see if it is as beautiful as the artwork from the first book. Okay, oh wait, yeah, it's the same as the one before with the thing. Okay, so we'll do the flip through right now. Oh, just in case you haven't seen the first video, the Word on Fire Bibles have the New Revised Standard Version, Catholic Edition, Smith sewn binding, printed and bound in Italy, metallic gold ink accents, full color artwork, custom font, Angelico. Okay, all right. Okay, so as with the previous Bible, this Bible has 4 sections. Aside from the text, is it 4 features? What am I saying? Anyways, it has a commentary by Bishop Barron, and then a church father commentary, single column Bible text, Bishop Barron, yeah, like what I said. And then the one I'm going to be focusing on is the Via Pulchritudinis, which is an art commentary. And that's the one we'll be doing here. Okay, let us start right now. So like I said, this book has all the other books of the New Testament, starting off with the Acts of the Apostles, and then the letters of Paul, and then the first letter of Peter, second letter of Peter, the letters of John, letter of Jude, and then the Revelation to John. Okay. So excited. Okay, so like I said earlier, I've been reading the first volume, and it is really wonderful. The commentaries, especially by Bishop Barron, they can almost be like your daily devotional, the way his commentaries are done. So just in terms of the text, I really do highly recommend it. And now we will look at the artwork. Obviously this will have more artwork because it has more of the books. So this one is by Michael Stevens. So this is a more recent artist, 2021. Okay. St. Peter by Pierre Etienne Monod. In terms of the actual layout, it is exactly like the first volume in terms of where the text is and the commentaries. Caravaggio. I hope you guys can see okay. Okay. I actually promised myself at first that I was gonna wait until I finish the whole volume, like the whole volume one first, before getting this volume, the second volume. But I was so excited, like I couldn't wait. So, and this one is by Raphael. Oh, I just realized that first painting, is it by the first painting I showed you guys? Let me see. Where is it now? Yeah, Michael Stevens. So he was the one who wrote the essays, the art essays, the art commentary. So this is his artwork. That's very cool. Okay. Rembrandt. Okay. Oh my gosh. So the artwork are so far has been amazing, as just as lovely and beautiful as the artwork in the first book. Gustave Doré. This one, unknown artist. I wonder if this will be faster to do it this way. I really don't want to miss any of the artwork, so. Metalwork of ancient Rome. Coin depicting mural. So the kind of commentary here, aside from the one by Father or Bishop Barron, there are also excerpts from the works of Chesterton and St. Thomas Aquinas. So yeah, it's a variety of commentaries you will get. The commentaries are not heavily academic as one that you would find in like the Catholic Study Bible by Oxford Press, I believe. And then the one I'm reading right now is a Catholic commentary on the Holy Scripture, which is edited by Orchard, and it's the 1952 edition. I think that one is not historical, critical, but more academic, I would say, because it discusses history during the ancient time as well. But this one, not so much. They're more devotional than anything. And like I said, especially the essays and the short excerpts by I keep saying Father Barron. I mean Bishop Barron. You can really read them every day as a devotional. They're so beautifully written and very inspiring. So this one is a Sealing of St. Mary's Basilica. Just the amount of information here in this volume, I can see now it's a bit overwhelming. There's just so much. Oh my gosh. I can see why it's like a lot of volumes, the Word on Fire, just because they really pack it in. So the Old Testament, like I said previously in the other video, volume 3 is out, and I think volume 4 is coming out soon. And then the whole thing is supposed to be 7 volumes. So I would like to eventually own all of them, but for sure I think I'll try to read the first 2 first before going crazy and buying the rest, but who knows? I have no self-control. And this one is by Piero di Cosimo. Like once I get obsessed over something, like I just go kind of crazy. So we will see. But just to let you know, even this paperback editions, they're really beautiful as well. The only difference from what I've heard is that the covers are different, but the paper and the Smith sewn binding, or Smythe, is it Smythe sewn? Yeah, they're the same for the paperback, hardbound, and leather version. But obviously the leather would be the most beautiful and probably the one that would last the longest. So in hindsight, I probably should have splurged on the leather, especially if it's something I'm going to be using a lot, like something I'll be reading every day. But it is what it is. And I'm happy with the paperback as well, so... Well, this one obviously has more text because of the more books that are discussed. So, but that's pretty cool too. But look at this one by Caravaggio, Resurrection. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Moses, unknown artist, okay. Gustave Doré. Giotto. Is my battery dying? Oh, let's see. No, okay, it's good. It's good. Van Gogh. Oh my God, you know what? I don't think I've seen this Van Gogh before. What? Pellegrino di Mariano Rossini. I wish I can see all this artwork in person someday. You never know, right? Flagellation of Christ by Georges Rouault. Colossians now, okay. Lorenzo Lotto. Pantheon. Jean-Baptiste Camille Corot. Luca Signorelli. Oh, I forgot to say, like the previous paperback version, the volume 1 I got for like $38.95, something like that, and this one is slightly more expensive. I don't know why. It's actually like $69, I think, which is almost like twice the price. Almost, not really, but yeah. And volume 3 paperback is also $69, I believe. But honestly, even at $70, this is worth every penny, I think, just because it really is very beautiful. Apparently volume 4 is coming out at the end of summer, so that's a lot quicker than I thought, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I probably won't get that for a while. We'll see. Unless I get some extra money, then I'll get 3 and 4 together. But this one is attributed to Valentin de Boulogne, St. Paul writing his epistles. I really love classical art and like works like this. I mean, I love Impressionism too, like just the colorful palette that they have. But classical art is where it's at. Also, I love digital art as well, so I love all kinds of art really, but just personally, I think I just kind of gravitate towards the classical art, which is why I did the whole atelier method. And if you guys haven't seen that, I have a whole playlist on that, so how I did a classical training on my own for a few years actually. So yeah, and this one, Unknown Iconographer, Abraham and Melchizedek. Ooh, Old Testament. So the reason I might not be able to hold off on buying the volume 3, which is the first 5 books of the Bible, is because I really also love the books of Genesis and Exodus. Those books are so in terms of like even just from what do you call, literary point of view. Oops, sorry. Genesis, the narrative is so interesting, let's just say. So that'll be interesting to read the commentary on that as well. So I would like to also get my hands on that. In terms of the frequency of the artwork in here, I do feel that this has more text than the last time, not just because it's more, there's more books in it, but just flipping through this right now, I feel like with the first volume there's more artwork But I mean, I guess that makes sense though. Yeah, I guess because it's only the four synoptic gospels. So, ooh, this is gold. But the Word on Fire Bibles, I honestly think, even if you're non-Christian, non-Catholic, this is a Bible you can really enjoy. Well, especially if you're interested in what Catholicism is about, but just even for its just the physical features of the book itself and the ease of reading the text, I highly, highly recommend it. Just from reading volume 1, but I have a feeling volume 2 and the rest of the other volumes are the same because it's Father Bishop Barron who kind of oversaw the whole thing. So, oh yes, Revelation. I forgot where the Revelation now. Four Horsemen of the Apocalypse by Victor Vasnetsov. Oh, this one, Our Lady of Guadalupe. Yeah, most of the artwork are mostly on this page, but this one is on the right side. Kandinsky, ooh. Leighton. Yeah, a lot of this artwork also the first time I'm seeing, so. Oh, this is Michelangelo, of course. Last Judgment. Van Eyck. Oh wow, yeah. Just back-to-back pages of this. That's pretty cool. And there's an explanation for some of the panels too. Wow. That is amazing. Wait, did I miss one? No, I didn't. Okay. Wow. Alright, so let's look at the length. I mean, that's the thickness of the book, so I hope you guys are not skewed. Is it skewed? Oh my gosh, was I filming skewed the whole time? Anyways, yeah, there is a bit of a like an indentation there, but I don't mind because the way I read books, I would probably eventually crumple them anyway. But yes, so is the artwork as beautiful as the first volume? Yes, I think so. A lot of the same artists are in this volume 2 as well, like Caravaggio and Michelangelo, obviously. But I mean, just in terms of the thickness, I think, yeah, this Bible's, they're just worth every penny, I think. Really, just so beautifully done. Thank you, Bishop Barron, for doing a Bible series like this. Yes. Highly recommend. Well, this one for sure because I've read this, but I'm pretty sure this is the same. All right. And that is it for today. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much if you made it this far, you guys. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless.